It's 4 a.m. when I hear a phone ringing. As I wake up, my eyes gravitate to the hotel room's window, and I see the lights of the Eiffel Tower. Dad sits up and says my stepmom Grace has gone into labor 3 weeks early. After a year of trying, the successful pregnancy had been a welcome surprise, but due to Grace's age, it had also been precarious. So, in the hotel room in Paris, my dad and I pack our belongings at lightning speed, while back home in Stuttgart, Germany, Grace is grabbing her hospital overnight bag. We check out of the hotel and take the first cab to the train station. But we soon discover that the train station doesn't open for 2 hours. So, with a few wandering pigeons, we sit in the open reception area and wait. I try sleeping on the cold metal, but fail, my mind racing with questions about what life will be like when the babies are around. My time as my dad's only daughter is coming to an abrupt end. Just after we've left the station, we get news that one of the twins' umbilical cords is wrapped around its neck and that Grace is going to need a C-section. She texts my dad what we're all thinking. While we're passing Reims, France, on what feels like the longest train ride ever, she is wheeled into surgery alone. The landscape around me shifts as we zoom by small German towns, and she gets out of surgery, but it's still another hour before we make it to the hospital. I wait in reception while my dad goes to see Grace and the new twins. With the last 36 minutes of phone credit, I tell the good news to as many family members as I can. Eventually, I'm allowed in the room. There, everyone is tired, wearing day-old clothes, and disoriented from the morning, but I'm focused on meeting Nora and Josie. Tiny little alien babies in clear incubating boxes. They seem slimy and otherworldly, with wires and nodes monitoring them, yet their movements and impulses are familiar. They peer around the room at nurses, our parents, and me. They cry and sometimes even smile. Finally, I reach into the boxes and hold my sisters for the first time. They're definitely human and worth all the change.